What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm kit, well, it is something fierce and I'm glad to help show it off. Now, this is not any kind of sponsorship or anything like this, but with the production of the 500 Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAs and GTAm specimens, the willingness for people to own a Giulia similar, well, at least in appearance, is relegated to the passion of few with delivery like Paris 5 Garage, which have made a respectable body kit that goes in this direction. In fact, the company has a body kit that allows it to reproduce rather faithfully the lines and stylistic and aerodynamic elements that characterize the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm styling from the traditional Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now, I will let you guys be the judge on how good this kit replicates that styling, but this is dang near flawless to me. Now, the first finished model appeared in some official images and it has a dedicated livery dominated by bright yellow. Now, the images show us a very interesting copy of the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm, also combined with another application developed by the same company, the Alfa Romeo GT Stud EST. If you guys don't remember me doing a video on that, make sure you check that out as well. Now, the body kit made by Paris 5 Garage is very close to the original Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm. I mean, very close. And it was practically sold out in a short period of time, so it makes this distinction between the parts very complicated. Now, the set introduces a completely redesigned bumper with the typical stylistic features of the same element used on the Giulia GTA and GTAm. Now, there's no shortage of holes around the shield and in the hood and behind the front wheel arches. There's also the large rear wing and diffuser with the central double exhaust, also inevitable. Now, a closer examination reveals that the rear wing itself is slightly smaller for the replica and that the tailpipes used now are not identical to the titanium exhaust by Krapovic mounted on the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm. However, Paris 5 Garage still produces excellent exhaust elements. Now, finally, you also have 20-inch wheels that are alloy wheels and make a good impression, but they are not the single nut design found on the original Alfa Romeo Performance sedan. However, Alfa Romeo enthusiasts will be able to spot these details, but most people will probably think that they're in front of a real Giulia GTAm. And I say fake it till you make it when it comes to something like this, because you couldn't get a hold of one in the first place. If you could, you're spending a lot of money. Hey, why not give your car a makeover? I'm cool with it. Now, at the basis for the build, the team used the Giulia Quadrifoglio, which is the closest thing to performance credentials of the GTA and GTAm, and that's what they wanted to replicate. Both models, as is known, are equipped with a 2.9-liter V6 biturbo engine for a total of 510 for the Quadrifoglio and good for 540 for the GTAm variants, for a total power of 505 horsepower in the Quadrifoglio and good for 540 horsepower in the GTA and GTAm variants. And of course, the design is born of aerodynamics, and specific engine tuning are not the only things that differentiate the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA and GTAm from a normal Quadrifoglio. The special models also have the more aggressive frame configuration that are up to 100 kilograms less weight to different measures used to save weight. However, most of the differences are not visible in the naked eye, at least from the outside. Now, if you have an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, the price to convert it to a Giulia GTAm style look is equal to 9,090 euros. Now, this might not be cheap for an aftermarket solution, but adding it to the price of a Giulia Quadrifoglio represents only a fraction of the current value of a true Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm. So it's probably good to save that money. In particular, the figure is 9,000 euros for the entire kit, which is 1,999 euros for the front bumper, 1,500 euros for the front hood, 1,499 euros for the front fenders, 499 euros for the side skirts, 599 euros for the rear fenders, 699 euros for the rear wing, 1,499 euros for the diffuser, and 799 euros for the exhaust. And note that these are indicative prices for the composite body kit, and these are subject to change as the cost of supplies are increasing. Also, if the body kit is made of Kevlar, the price increases by 30%, while the carbon fiber option available on request will be even more expensive. So keep that in mind once you're doing your shopping. But if you got the spare change for it, by all means, this looks phenomenal to me. And again, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to show it off because I thought it was cool. And hey, I know a lot of people who might think the same thing. So what would you guys do? Would you buy this kit for your Giulia Quadrifoglio, or would you only buy a few things? Maybe the rear wings, maybe you like the rear fenders, maybe you like the rear diffuser front bumpers. I mean, what would you pick and choose out of this kit if you decide to get it? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we'll have a bigger discussion on this new Giulia GTAm kit that looks damn near close to the original. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You guys can get long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, stickers, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.